Hi there, my name is Ashley Nassar, and if you have been following my videos, you've seen that I am a ambassador for Keep Collective. Well, if you don't know, Stella and Dot is a sister company to Keep Collective and also Ever Skincare. So they have released an ultimate holiday edit where they are joining all three products together in a collection for the holidays with select items, and then come January 2020, all Stella and Dot, Ever Skincare, or Keep Collective ambassadors are going to be known as S&D ambassadors, and they're going to be able to sell all three lines across the board from one website. So this video is just to show off some of the Ever Skincare makeup items that I got in. The first item that I got was their eye palette. It's called Out the Door. It comes with eye and cheek. So it has 3 different shades for your eyes, and then for your cheeks it has a bronzer, a highlighter, and then the blush. And it has a cute little card inside that shows you where to put each item. If you don't wear makeup often, or if you just need some tips on where to place them on your eye or cheeks, it has little illustrations to show you how. So if you can see, on the left side of my face I did my makeup, and then on the right side I just have mascara and powder on. Because I have not yet purchased powder or mascara from Ever Skincare, because I just got makeup before they released this to us, I am not going to show that off. I'm just going to show off the items that I do have from Ever Skincare. So, like I said, I have the eye and cheek palette, and then I got in 2 different Longwear lipsticks, liquid. One is the Forever, this is Glam Forever Liquid Lip Stain, Liquid Color. And then the other is their Flash lip gloss that is a plumper. So I was like, ooh, I want to get that because my lips aren't very full, especially the top lip. So I got this in rose gold because I'm a little pale, so I didn't want to get anything too dark. And since I don't always wear a lip product, I usually go with nude. I didn't want to get something too bold until I start, dabbling in more colors, because I wanted to look like myself. So this is the lip plumper in rose gold. I can feel it tingling. It's got like a peppermint kind of taste to it, even though I haven't licked it, but that's kind of the scent I'm getting off of it. It's got a little tingle. So I have that on right now. Before I did that, I'm going to do a little self-promotion. I put on some of my own handmade lip scrub. I just started doing handmade Bath & Body products myself a couple months back. So I have a vanilla cappuccino one that's a body scrub, but since it has instant coffee, sugar, and vanilla essential oil, it doesn't taste bad if it gets on your lips, so I use it as a lip scrub. Just to get off dead skin now that we're getting into fall and winter season. The air is cold, my lips are getting chapped. So I did that before I put on my lip gloss. So now I'm going to show off the colors. This is the Out the Door palette. They have a bolder version that has darker shades. But like I said, since I am a little pale, I didn't want to go too dark and too bold. So I'm going to go ahead and show off the makeup. I'm just going to sit it down here so I can look in the mirror while I'm putting it on. So the shade 1, they are all numbered in the corner so that it has 1, 2, and 3. So shade 1, they suggest doing your whole eye from lash to brow. Shade 2, your eyelid. And then shade 3, they suggest doing along your lash line, but I like to do along my crease because I like to do like a little bit of a smoky eye. And then I don't have the petite brush to do my lash line, so it would be like way too bold of a line. But I do plan on getting the brushes in the future. So I'm going to start off with 1, and I'm just going to apply. It's a light, not quite, it's lighter than my skin tone. It's like a light eggshell color. I'm not quite that pale. So I'm just going to apply it from my lash all the way to my brow. And Ever also has a brow pencil, which is great because I have to fill in some of my eyebrow. I already did it because I have that myself, but once I run out, I'm going to try out the Ever skincare brand. So it usually has like a bristle, so you brush up your eyebrows, and then it has a pencil, and you just kind of lightly do small strokes across your eyebrows to kind of fill it in, because I have slight gaps, I guess you could say, in my eyebrows, and since my eyebrows are kind of dark, it's pretty obvious, at least to me. So I got the white all over. So I'm going to go with the middle second shade here, and I'm going to do my eyelid. Usually I'm in a rush when I go out the door, and I don't take the time to do my makeup, but I've been wanting to, and I just haven't bought new product. And then when they said that Ever was going to be available to us as Keep Collective designers, I was like, oh, that's awesome. And it's great because Ever is a clinical, they coined the phrase, clinical skincare brand. So that means that their items are clinical as far as skincare goes, and the ingredients are clean. They also are Hopping Bunny certified, which I didn't know what that meant, so I looked it up, and that means that none of their products at any stage from ingredient to final product are ever tested on animals. So sometimes companies might say, oh, our products aren't tested on animals, but that doesn't mean that some of their ingredient combinations couldn't be tested on animals before they get to the final product. So it's awesome to know that Ever doesn't do that. So last but not least, I'm going to do the third dark shade all the way here. And I'm going to do that in my crease to do like a little bit of a smoky eye. And usually when I'm done, I like to kind of rub my finger across just to blend it in, because I'm not a professional makeup artist. So I like to make sure that I don't have, like strokes from the brush when I'm applying. So I just kind of put it across the crease, and then usually down kind of at the bottom. I try and create like a V shape in the corner of my eye to give this smoky effect. And then I usually just rub my finger, and then I rub just lightly, you don't have to rub so rough, just from the corner of my eye up to the edge of my eyebrow, so I don't have any makeup that goes past my eye line. Yep, so there you go. So as you can see, I got a little slight smoky look. I'm going to kind of touch up on the left side that I did before. I wasn't trying to be over dramatic when I applied it before. So let's just get it to match just a little bit better on both sides. So I have the smoky eye. And then now that the little plumping gloss has been on for a little while, I'm going to apply the liquid color in Glam. It's a pretty neutral color. It's like, they consider it taupe, I think. I love some of the other colors they have. So this is like a matte color. And some of the other reps have taken different colors and layered them. So there's a color called Party. It's like bright red. And then there's another color called Crush. It's more of like it's deeper than this. It's similar to this color, but it's a little bit deeper, and they layered them together, and it almost gives off a deep purple, but it's really pretty. So there's all kinds of ways you can mix and match the colors to create your own custom look, and they turn out really awesome. And this is the Longwear Lip. Just kind of touch up the edge. And I've seen photos of girls, you know, you put on your makeup before work around 8 o'clock, and then by 5 o'clock, their lips are still looking great. So that is just my little mini tutorial about the Ever Skincare makeup line. They have mascara called Whiplash. That is really great. They have brushes, they have foundation and powders, but like I said, I was just showing off the items I have. The Forever long-lasting lip color, the Flash Plumping lip gloss, and then the Out the Door eyeshadow and cheek. And oh, I forgot. Let me do the cheek on this side. So for the cheek, like I said, they suggest this is a bronzer you can use all over your face or to create like contouring down your cheek. This is your blush color, and then the middle is the highlight color for the top of your cheek. So I'm going to do the highlight color for the top of my cheek. And you do that across your brow, or I'm sorry, your cheekbone, the top of the cheekbone, up. And then I'm going to do the blush color on my cheeks. And what you do is you smile, and then you see the apples of your cheek, and that's where you put the blush. I like to go for a natural look, so I tend to, whenever I put color on, I kind of blow it off because I don't want to put too much on since I'm not used to wearing like heavy makeup all the time. So you can see the highlighter going up the top of my cheek, and then the blush. And then you finish with the contouring. And you do that, you can suck in your lips like a fish, and then you can kind of see underneath where you want to do the contouring. It just adds a little definition to your cheeks if you have a round face. Mine's kind of like oval, but gets filled out a little bit. And then if you do too much like me, you can always just kind of blend it back. Alright, so there you go. That's my quick little tutorial on the Ever Skincare makeup line. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Let me know. Like I said, you can purchase Keep Collective, select Ever Skincare and beauty products, and as well as Stella and Dot items from my website. I will post the link below. If you join my VIP groups, I often have giveaways and offer special discounts that aren't always on the website. It's a discount just through me, and I will post those links below as well. And if you have any questions, you can join the groups, ask away, start sharing your photos, or look at the photos of other ladies, whether it's the Keep Collective jewelry or the makeup, and how they wear their makeup, or what skincare products have worked for them over the past months or years. Some of the ladies have been using it for years. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.